In this video I will share 12 different types of paintbrushes with you. These brushes are suitable for oil, acrylic and gouache paints. The first brush is a dagger brush. It is shaped like an old-timey dagger, and just like a dagger, it has a flat side and a sharp side. Using the sharp side, you can make a variety of thin lines. With the flat side, you can make broad strokes to cover large areas with paint. It is truly a versatile brush. The round brush is one of the most used brushes. It is excellent for outlining and detailing work, as the sharp tip offers great control, whereas the broad base gives sturdy support. You can variate line thickness by applying more pressure on the brush. The flat brush is ideal for washes and to fill up wide spaces quickly. It allows broad strokes which are seamless, which makes it perfect for painting backgrounds. It can be used to define edges and make stripes. The FILBERT brush resembles the shape of hazelnuts, also known as filberts because they ripe in August, which is the feast month of Saint Philibert. It is suited for blending. And for creating rounded edges like flowers, pearls, etc. A pointed round brush is a thinner version of the round brush. It is wonderful for extremely fine details, spotting and retouching work. I always use this brush for intricate details in the eyes. This is the fan brush. These somewhat frilled, fan-shaped bristles are nice for making trees, bushes, clouds and so on. In nature, patterns can be observed in chaos. The fan brush has a recognizable shape, but it makes fairly random patterns, thus it is ideal for brushwork in landscapes and nature. This is an angular brush, and like the flat brush, it makes broad strokes and fills large spaces. And due to its pointy tip, it can make sharp creases and reach small corners. Here is a liner and a script liner brush. The liner brush is used to make thin outlines and details. A script liner brush is its variation which holds even more paint. Thus we can use it to make even longer strokes. So it is perfect for making long strokes of hair, blades of grass, tree branches, etc. A rake brush kind of looks like a gardening rake. It has a toothy-looking edge, which helps in creating semi-regular textures. We can use it to make feathers, wood grain, thread patterns, etc. Another brush with a toothy edge is the comb brush. Personally, I never use this brush because if I want noticeable texture, I always use the rake brush. And as you can see, the comb brush doesn't successfully create a texture, just a pointy edge. I find this application quite limited and frankly, useless. But hey, if I ever want to make a cute stegosaurus, I know what brush to use. I hope this video covered some basic brushes for you. Thank you for watching.